This help video is on the 7.11 release notes. I'll be going through the changes and enhancements to class in version 7.11. Firstly, the errors that you email to support have been enhanced to give more detailed information in the title bar. This will give both support and development teams more information to work from. Another enhancement is within the school settings. Customers who are using the class online toolkit, an extra validation has been added to the school screen so that a web visa type must be assigned. So if I select on maintenance and settings, schools, into one of the schools on the database, and within the web tab, a default web visa type must be entered. If this is left blank, the user will receive a warning message forcing them to set a visa type. So if I remove this and select OK, this is the message you would get. Okay, so if I just put back the visa type and select OK. The criteria print within an invoicing statistics report has been enhanced. If I select on reporting and reporting module, select reporting and invoicing. If I go into one of the reports I've already created, on the invoicing tab, you now have the option to use booked from and to dates. Previously, this wasn't within the criteria print. If I now select on criteria, within the notepad, here you can see the booking from and to dates that was entered on the report. So this will show in the criteria, and this will help the support team when looking at questions about statistics. The next enhancements have been on the age debt report. So if I go into the class ledger, select reporting, age debt. When this report is run on debt spread, an additional note has been added in Excel to inform users that overpayments may need reallocating for some bookings if a holiday break has been inserted. So I'm going to run this for one agent and select debt spread. If I now select Excel, so here on the results is the message to say about the reallocating of overpayments if a holiday has been inserted. Also within the age debt report, we now have a criteria print button. So if I select this, you get the notepad that displays every different item that has been selected. Again, this will help the support team with questions on the age debt. So if I come out of the ledger, the next item is within the unprinted totals within an enrolment. If I go into a booking, on the finance tab, 2/3 of the way down you have the memo due values, unprinted and total. A new restriction has been added to these fields to make sure users are unable to amend these values. So these are now set to read only. Also within an enrolment, the enrolment code has been extended. So if I go to the general screen of a booking, this code field has been extended from 20 characters to 30. So next, within an agent account, if I go into an agent record, within finance details and pricing, a new feature has been added so that users can now print an Excel report of the agent's pricing. So the bottom half of the screen shows all the discount and commission rates. If there are several different items here, this can be sent to Excel to give a summary of what has been given in the past and their current rates. Lastly, for customers using the class online toolkit, the agent portal has had a major rewrite with a new front-end design and is now responsive to bring it in line with the student booking form. Also, some underlying issues have been ironed out, which allows agents to log in and send bookings directly into class. So we've now come to the end of the release notes help video. I hope you found this useful and thank you for listening.